In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename and share a dashboard in Jira. Whether you're organizing reports for your team or simply trying to keep your own workspace tidy, knowing how to quickly rename and share dashboards will make Jira much easier to use. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Jira instance as we go. First, start by going to the Dashboards area in Jira. From anywhere in Jira, look for the main navigation at the top of the screen. You should see a Dashboards option there. Click on that, and Jira will take you to the main dashboard page. This is the central place where all your dashboards are stored and accessed. Once you're on the dashboards page, you'll want to view the complete list of dashboards that you have access to. Look for an option that says View All Dashboards or something very close to that. Click on it. This opens a page that shows every dashboard you own, as well as any shared dashboards that you can see. It's helpful to scan this list and confirm the exact dashboard you want to rename or share, especially if you have several with similar titles. When you've found the dashboard you want to update, move your cursor over its row. On the right-hand side of that row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. This menu is where Jira hides additional actions that you can take on that particular dashboard. In the menu that appears, look for the option that lets you rename or share the dashboard. The wording might be rename or share dashboard or similar, but it will clearly indicate that it controls the dashboard's name and sharing settings. Click on this option. A panel or dialog box will open, allowing you to edit the dashboard's name and choose who can access it. Take a moment to give the dashboard a clear, descriptive name so that your teammates can easily recognize what it's for. Then review the sharing settings to make sure the right people, groups, or projects have access. After you've made your changes, don't forget the final step. Click on Save. This applies the new name and updates the sharing settings. Once you save, your dashboard will appear with its new name, and anyone you've shared it with will see it according to the permissions you set.